The president threw the gauntlet to everybody to dance to Jerusalem. So the elderly people today took that on, and they wanted to show the president that they are energetic, they are healthy, they are capable of dancing Jerusalem. But the most important element of it is the dance is quite heavy. The dance is costly to your knees and to your thighs and everything. I thought I was just going to go there, do a little one, and I discovered that, yes, you've got to be fit. That's the message that we send to our people. Create a conducive environment to them so that they can exercise. Create a conducive environment for them so that they can have fun. Create a conducive environment so that they can feel they belong to the broader society. No.